Namaste, I'm Justine Lemos, and oftentimes I see students practicing triangle pose or Trikonasana in two different ways that might not be optimal for their physiology, their anatomy, or their alignment energetically. One way is that the hips will open and the heart center will drop down. And this variation, which I just see all postures as expression of energy, it's really grounded, it's really stable. That student is probably not going to fall over because they're rooted into place. The other thing that I see is students opening too far out into the joints. And the benefit of this is they get this expression and this sensation of opening through the heart. But in this case, really the energy has gone too far up and out, and they may feel unstable or they could impact their joints. One of my favorite props in yoga is the wall, because the wall usually never lets us down. It's really there for us. So I like to take Trikonasana or triangle pose two ways at the wall. Taking the legs out wide, rolling one set of toes forward, the other set of toes in. Take the arms to the wall and feel the back of the body settle into the wall. Move the floating rib cage back in space. Squeeze the inner thighs. Lengthen through the rib cage, and then using the wall as a guide, rotate the whole body. The left hand can rest onto a block, onto the ankle, or all the way down to the peace sign, fingers around the big toe. Then see if you can root the top shoulder back down and in, and then expand upward through the heart. So in this way, we come into more balance in our triangle pose. The other way to do this is to turn around and face the wall. And this actually can provide more challenge, more strengthening, more stabilization, because here, legs are positioned the same way, back hip is drawn in. I'm going to use the wall to guide the whole upper body down, rotating again, tracking the hips either all the way on the wall or against the wall, back hip point on the wall, and then again I can articulate the shoulder blade down and maybe lift the hand off the wall. So in this way we can come into more balance in our triangle pose, Trikonasana. Namaste.